problema natin, lahat ng situation natin, everything will be solved when you read the Bible with the guidance of the Holy Spirit. When it comes to Bible, kung mapapansin nyo, Christianity or even our source of truth or source of knowledge and wisdom came from the Bible, right? Kung mapapansin nyo, the most persecuted religion is the Christianity. Yun yung nakapagtataka, guys. Madalas tayong i-program ng kaaway or ng devil na the most boring book to read is the Bible. Samantalang mas nawimili tayo sa labas sa Netflix or sa TV or kakascroll sa social media. We have this interest na magbasa ng mga books na alam natin na hindi nakakatulong sa atin. While yung Bible, even right now na nakikinig kayo sa video na to, for sure, meron na kayong negative connotation about the Bible. Na kapag narinig mo yung word na Bible, ay hindi ko yan maiintindihan, ay nakakatamad basahin yan, ay ang kapal niyan, matagal ko yan matatapos, ay boring yan, puro lang yan about sa laws or mga regulation na kailangan sundin. That's the further from the truth because that's the way of the devil programming us or giving us the impression na sobrang boring ng Bible basahin. But let me tell you an honest story, guys. Marami na akong books na nabasa, marami na akong mga seminars na attendan, yet ang dami kong problems na hindi na-solve. Nung nagsimula akong magbasa ng Bible, all this time pala yung hinahanap ko lang na wisdom is found everything in the Bible when it comes to relationship, when it comes to finances, whatever. Pangalanan mo lahat ng bagay, it is the instruction or it is our manufacturer's handbook. Lahat ng problema natin, lahat ng situation natin, everything will be solved when you read the Bible with the guidance of the Holy Spirit.